everyone, my name is Marilyn Bilbao. I was born in Baguio City at the year 2005, June 23. I am 19 years old and I studying at the University of the Cordillera under the Bachelor of Science in Psychology. So I chose psychology because when I was 16 years old, I experienced a depression, anxiety, stress, sadness, and also I want to improve my knowledge, skills, and attitude, and to learn and explore about human behavior and mental health. Let's talk about my hobbies. So I like singing, dancing, reading, writing, cooking, baking, playing badminton, and volleyball. So and I like to watch a funny movie, Korean drama, and horror movies. Also, I like pink than blue. I like dog than cat. I like sweet and sour food than spice and savory. I like beach than mountain. I like iced tea than hot coffee. I like cold weather than